Biafra and Oduduwa, we are one. We want to go. Stand up for the coming generation as a Yoruba man, as a Biafra man. Do not allow.
The clamor for the disintegration of the contraption Nigeria, the zoological republic itself, receives a boost and becomes more glaring as the alliance between the people of Biafra and the people of Oduduwa or Yoruba nation receives a boost also and becomes more formidable. So in this video, you're going to see the people of Biafra and the people of Oduduwa come together to protest in the streets of UK to bring to the knowledge of the colonial masters of this very zoological republic of the plight and conditions of those that lumped together in this very contraption, and that it's time to unbundle it because the indigenous population of the respective ethnic groups that make up the contraption have come to their consciousness and come to the realization that Nigeria is not going to work. The memorandum for amalgamation expired in 2014 and therefore it's high time to balkanize the contraption. As you can see, they are observing social distancing with their respective flags there. Let me allow you to watch the video, but please do well to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell. Don't forget to drop your comment in the comment box and also give us a like. Thank you very much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.
We say no. Yes. 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 Benio. Yes, we are tired of it. We're enough. We had enough. Yes. Yes, so. Yes. I pop my brother. How you doing? We have to blessings, so we have to be careful with these people, just quick. Because my brother, your name please.
My name is Charles.
Charles, nice one, Charles. That's IPOB. Yes, thank you. Thank you, my IPOB. Charles, my brother. I appreciate you. Listen, we IPOB and Oduduwa, we are Biafra and Oduduwa. We are one. We want to go. We want to go. We are tired of this. Yes. Yes, you're right.
So we are here just to
yes.
foundation of that.
Exactly. Yes.
So
that
that's
is
why
it.
We're here.
Yes.
In the heart of United Kingdom.
That's it.
So they can't keep saying they don't know what's going on.
Exactly. Exactly.
Where people are dying like chickens.
Chickens. Yes. Yes.
Just for the plus they have
yes.
They call Nigeria.
Exactly. We're not.
Yoruba man,
exactly.
Yoruba culture.
Exactly.
I have my shop, so no Yoruba man have ever hurt me.
Exactly.
But in the name of Nigeria, I've
yes.
been killed day and night.
Indeed.
So this has got to stop.
Exactly.
That is to say we all go to our freedom, go to our home and enjoy our home.
Exactly. We are. Absolutely.
But under that government,
we're tired. That's it. That's why. Good to see you. Blessings, my brother Charles. We'll be in touch, yeah? Nice one. Yes. We're showing solidarity with everybody here. We're trying to obviously keep our social distancing, as you can see. We're doing everything we can. Some people will join us, but we've made disclaimer earlier on, so we are comfortable with that. We're doing everything we possibly can. We have Biafra flag standing with us. We have the people, and we are keeping the six people in a group thing, staying away as much as we can. We want people to stand and understand we are not doing this anymore. We want to go from that contraption called Nigeria. I am not a Nigerian. I am an Oduduwa man. I have been enslaved for too long. And that's why we are here. There we go. So we will be getting more flags. I want every Oduduwa man to see the IPOB flag. And we are going to have our own flag like that. We'll be waving flags. They'll be next to each other. IPOB flag, Biafra flag, they'll be waved together. I urge you all, please, don't be silent anymore. We can no longer accept this. This is injustice. We want to go. We are going. And we are doing everything we can to respect the social distancing. We're doing everything we can. We're keeping our distance as much as we can. And look, people have respected it. And I want to thank those that didn't come because of what we said. But here we are. Yes. Yes, so. Yes. Yes.
Just away from our own side.
Absolutely. We say No more Nigeria. No more Nigeria. No more Nigeria. Long live Oduduwa. Long live Biafra. Long live Oduduwa. Long live Biafra. We are fed up with Nigeria. We are slaves in our own land. I hate to say that, but that's the fact. The fact is over 60 years. They are telling us to celebrate what? What exactly are we celebrating? I want to know exactly what they want us to celebrate. What are they celebrating? Which part? Yes, which part are we celebrating? I want to know. Is it the roads? Is it the schools? Is it the bridges? Is it the healthcare? What are we celebrating? What are we celebrating? What? For 60 years, 60 years of misery, we have the right to self-determination. My Biafra brother, me and myself, Oduduwa, we want to go. We have the right to self-determination. We are fed up with being treated like animals in our own land. We are going for Oduduwa nation and we are going for Biafra nation. Long live Biafra land, long live Oduduwa nation. We don't want any more injustice. We are tired. We've got it, I've got it written on my shirt. Oduduwa nation, Yoruba nation, whatever you want to call it, we are going. The same thing with Biafra. We stand together as one. We stand together in solidarity because we have been oppressed collectively. We are tired, we are fed up of the injustice. It takes a lot for us to come here. And we try, even as we speak, to respect all of the social distancing rules. We are doing everything in our power. We've told as many people as we can, but we stand firm. We stand firm and we say, we want Oduduwa nation. We have the right to self-determination. Right there, you see that? Look at the flag. Can you see? Oduduwa is our nation. Biafra is our nation. We are one. Can you see that? Can you see that? Please share that. Look, despite the fact of COVID-19, we are doing everything we can. Exactly. No more Nigeria. Yes. Yes, we are celebrating the celebration of Nigeria. We don't want Nigeria. Nigeria has oppressed us long enough. We are all running away. Every Nigerian is running out of Nigeria. That is not a good sign. When Nigerians are running away from Nigeria, it tells, yes, Nigeria is a slave plantation. You just heard my brother say, Nigeria is a slave plantation. It is a slave plantation. That is the fact. That is the plain fact. We are never going to accept that injustice. The amalgamation is a fraud, and we will no longer be silent. We will do everything in our power to make sure we break away from that contraption called Nigeria. It has enslaved us long enough. Those who don't want to speak, that's up to them. But we that will speak, we will raise our voices. We only have our voice, and we have the passion, the commitment, the drive to awaken as many people as possible to know that we are fed up, we are tired of the failure called Nigeria oppressing and suppressing its own people, and we no longer want to be part of that. So we call for Oduduwa nation now. Oduduwa nation now. Biafra now. We are no longer prepared for this injustice. We don't want any more injustice. Whatever it takes for us to get our freedom, we are going for. The UK recently left. They left the European Union. We have the right to live. We have the right. We have the right to live. We have the right to leave this failure of our nation, of a union called Nigeria. We have the right to live. We have the right to self-determination. And I want you to believe in yourself as a Yoruba man. Believe in your coming generation as a Yoruba man. Stand up for the coming generation as a Yoruba man. Stand up for the coming generation as a Yoruba man, as a Biafra man. Do not allow these people to enslave you and your coming generations anymore. Nigeria is a contraption. Our ancestors never played a hand in creating Nigeria. The man that created Nigeria was a man called George Goldie. He sold the Northern and Southern Protectorate for £865,000. It is in that building across the road there. The building that you see behind me, the parliament. In that parliament, they signed the payment of £865,000 to George Goldie. That's the fact. That was how Nigeria was created. Now we have the issue of the amalgamation. The amalgamation was after the fact, to be honest. But the real deal was done in that building. The building that you see behind me. The real deal of enslaving millions. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to let you in on a little secret. I want to let you in on a little secret. They said us, they told us all that they ended slavery in 1833. It is a lie. It is a lie. It is a big lie. They said they ended slavery in 1833. It's a big lie. And here's why. On the 4th of January 1900, they sold between 7 to 13 million Yoruba people, Igbo people. They sold us. George Goldie sold us to the British Parliament, and they paid him £865,000. So that's the proof that you need to know that slavery never ended in 1833, and it still continues because we are in the contraption called Nigeria, and we never created Nigeria. We never created Nigeria. We, Oduduwa people, Biafrans, we never created Nigeria. Please get that right. We never created Nigeria. So if anybody's saying they are celebrating Nigeria, trust me, they are the ones who are benefiting from it. And it's not you and me. It is not the people who are suffering. Yoruba people are suffering. Igbos are suffering. We've had enough of Nigeria. We want to go for Oduduwa Nation. We want to go for Biafra. And we are going for it. And we ask you, urge you, stand up. We have the right to self-determination. We have the right to self-determination. We have the right to self-determination. My leg is literally shaking. Let me sit down for a minute. I need to sit down. I need to sit down. Listen, guys, this is not a joke. My leg is literally shaking. I can fall down if I'm not careful. But I'm doing it. My hands are even shaking because I'm so fed up with this injustice. And I'm telling you all now, if you say you believe in Nigeria, it's a fraud. Nigeria is a fraud. Nigeria is a fraud. I'm telling you now, we were sold into slavery. £865,000. Me, yourself, all of us, our ancestors. In fact, Nigeria was built on the blood of our ancestors. That's the plain fact. If you go and look at the history of the records, that's the fact. This parliament paid George Goldie. Remember that name. When you get home, type in George Goldie. Go and type in George Goldie. You will see his name. They don't want you to know his name. But he's the man that was on the 4th of January 1900. He was paid £865,000. And on top of that, we now have the amalgamation by Lord Lugard. No, not Lord. I'm not calling him a Lord. By Lugard, Frederick Lugard. He was only cementing what was done. So we need to be very clear of what's happening to us. We as people, as Oduduwa people, we have the right to self-determination. Just like UK have decided to leave Europe, we are deciding collectively that we are leaving that contraction called Nigeria because it is oppressing us on a daily basis and we cannot take it anymore. We don't want it anymore. Our people are coming and spending their time, even with the restrictions. We are trying to observe and comply with the restrictions as much as we can. Look at everybody. We are doing everything we can to fall within the rules and the completion of the COVID-19 rules. Despite that fact, our commitment is clear. Our commitment to the struggle is 1,000% clear. We are stating it here. We want you to understand this struggle is real. We want Oduduwa Nation, and you must support us. You must join hands with us. We need to get our freedom. That place is a death trap for every Oduduwa man, for every Biafran. It's a death trap, and we're asking you, stand up. Stand up. We cannot be allowing this injustice any longer. We are doing everything we can to keep our distance. Sorry? Yeah, you can talk to me. Yeah, we're here. We're trying to keep our distance. Well, I saw clearance at Parliament Square. I gave a notification. Yes, I have it. 1 second. Okay, no, this one here. I'll just get it. 1 second. I spoke to one of your officers, Tabaf. Whatever, let me see. This was with the police. The police itself notified the police.
Okay, so that would be for so that's a standard notification for
Yes,
the process.
yes.
So the process here, this area is controlled by the Borough of London. Everything apart from the pavement.
So should we go to the payment now?
Yeah, if you're there.
Okay, we'll go to the payment then. That's fine. We're just it's a rally.
I know.
But okay, fine, we'll do that.
So if you do want to do it,
Okay,
give them. It takes 24 hours.
okay,
So get the authorization. It's essentially just to secure it.
okay, that's fine.
Just so we have something.
That's fine. That's okay. We'll do that. Thank you very much. Thank you. So only quick Kalosi AJ. They don't want us here because we haven't got permission here apparently. So we will we'll move over there. No worries. We'll move. We'll just stand by the end there. We'll stand there. They don't want us here. That's fine. No problem. So ladies and let me just tell everybody. I'll tell everybody. Ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna have to move across to where over that side because we've been told by the police that by the mayor that we cannot stay here. One of the officers saying that we can't stay here, but apparently we need to move to the pavement. So we are moving to the pavement. No worries. We're not shaking. The struggle is the main thing. It doesn't matter where. Look, we can stand on one leg. We can stand on one lane. Wherever they want, we will go and stand there. We thank them for allowing us to even spend the time here. So we are going to stand across on that side there, just a few minutes. So just join us as we do that. Thank you very much. So let's go. On fait chaconi, kò ṣe nǹkan kan ṣe. Májòkó. Ó ti rẹ̀ ṣége sí lára but. So guys, so ẹ ti gbọ́n tó sọ ẹ jẹ́ ká move síwájú.
I love it.
No, you know what? I'll take it. I'll just read it. Then I'll manage. So we just go over there. It's not very far. So guys, sorry about this. So bear with me, guys. We're just going to the other side. Please continue to share. It doesn't matter where we are told to go. We will go. We don't mind. Even if we have to stand on a line and an edge, we will do so. All it matters is we want Oduduwa nation. And that's all. It is our right to go for our nation. We are fed up. We are fed up of being in a slave camp.
Oh, yes.
We are fed up of being slaves in our own land. So we are standing and we are speaking. And we won't stop. We won't relent. We'll stand here. We can stand here. No, they're here. Here. We can stand here. We will stand here. So we will stand here. It's fine. It's okay. We will stand here. No problem. As long as we're no more than sick, we will stand here. We don't mind. You see, they moved us. They moved us along. It's fine. We don't mind.
As long as we
get our message across. Our message is this. Look, we are not going to be silent anymore.
Yes.
We cannot be silent. We want our nation. You know? Hello. Good afternoon, my fellow Oduduwa. Hang on. Good afternoon, my fellow Oduduwa people. We are here. We are raising our voices. You see, the parliament here has a lot to do with what's happening in Nigeria. The parliament here, they have a lot to do with what happens in Nigeria. And they created what you call Nigeria. So if anybody's going to celebrate Nigeria, I can understand why they want to celebrate Nigeria. We can't celebrate Nigeria. Do you know why we can't celebrate Nigeria? Because Nigeria is oppressing us.
Yes.
We can't celebrate Nigeria.
Yes.
Because Nigeria is oppressing us.
Yes.
Did you hear me? We cannot celebrate Nigeria because Nigeria is oppressing us. You see the parliament there, they created Nigeria on the 1st of January 1900. They brought Nigeria to life. After George Goldie killed off the people that were fighting against the oppression of the people that came to oppress us. They killed all of the kings, the princes and everybody who was speaking up. And then they forced Nigeria. The name Nigeria was created in Berlin, in actual fact. George Goldie came to make the case to create what you call Nigeria. George Goldie, a Scottish man, he was paid £865,000. Go and look in the books. Don't take my word for it. Please, don't take my word for it. Go and look. Google is your friend. Google is your friend. Look, the parliament there, they are the ones who created Nigeria. Don't let anybody fool you. And they are trying to cement it. You see, the amalgamation was just a smoke screen. It is a smoke screen. And I'm telling you, even that document is a fraud. Because our people, like I told you, I said earlier on, back in 1833, they said they ended slavery. Well, how come you can send an entire group of people for 865,000 pounds on the 4th of January 1900? How come? So if you can do that and you tell me you ended slavery, slavery never ended.
Yes.
It just changed name. They changed the name, they changed the outlook, they changed everything about it. So let's all be very clear. For if you support Nigeria, you need to be very clear that you're supporting your own enslavement.
Yes.
That's the simple fact. I'm not here to do semantics. I'm not here for spreading rumors. I'm telling you, go and look in Google. Type in the name George Goldie. George, George, Goldie, Goldie. Type his name in. See what you find. Please, take your own destiny in your hands. Don't wait for anybody to tell you what to think. Start thinking yourself. We are asking for people, Oduduwa people, to stand up. Stand up for Oduduwa Nation. Stand up for the coming generation. Stand up. Look, I am telling you, I am in a wheelchair. This is my wheelchair here. I wheeled myself down here. I'm not saying that for you to feel pity for me. I'm telling you that we need to stand up. If you believe in something, you stand up for it. Come what may, stand up for this. We cannot be in this injustice anymore. Nigeria is oppressing Oduduwa people. It's oppressing Biafrans. We are asking you, stand up. Stand up. Stand up for Oduduwa Nation. Oduduwa Nation now. 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 We are tired of the injustice of Nigeria. We are tired of the killings in Nigeria. We are tired of the oppression in Nigeria. We want Oduduwa Nation now. We want Oduduwa Nation now. We are not celebrating 60 years. We are not celebrating any 60 years. It is suffering. Yes, we are celebrating the separation of Nigeria. We are fed up of this injustice. No more, no more. Now. Yes, no more Nigeria. We are fed up of it. We are fed up of that injustice. This is what you're looking at. The parliament there is responsible for the creation of Nigeria, not the people at home. They are just puppets. And it's time we spoke up. We are going for the Oduduwa Nation. And we need to stand together. We must stand together. We are standing together. We don't want it. We are going for the Yoruba Nation, Oduduwa Nation, Biafra. But we cannot stand for Nigeria. Nigeria is oppressing Nigeria in Nigeria and outside Nigeria. We don't want it. We are fed up of the injustice. We are fed up of the killing. Look, we have no light, no water, no road, no school, no bridges, no hospitals, nothing. There is nothing in that place. There is nothing in that place. So tell me why I should celebrate 60 years. Tell me why we should celebrate 60 years. Tell me why. Tell me why we should celebrate 60 years. We have nothing to celebrate. We have nothing to celebrate. We come here to make the world know that we, Oduduwa people, we want to stand for our own land. Just like the UK have left Europe. Just like the UK have passed the vote and they went for the Brexit. We Yorubas, we want your exit. Yoruba exit. Oduduwa exit. Call it whatever you want. We want to leave. Not be by force. We want to leave. We don't want it anymore. We are fed up with injustice. So we are here. Please, if you are watching this, I hope you are sharing it. I hope you are sharing it. We want the whole world to know this message that we're sending. We are sending it to everybody in the world. If you're an Oduduwa man, you need to wake up. Wake up. Stand up for your coming generation. No more Nigeria. We are fed up with Nigeria. Nigeria is an oppression. It's a slave camp. And we are telling you that our ancestors never created Nigeria. You get it? Our ancestors, they never created Nigeria. It was imposed on our ancestors. That is the fact. We are tired of the imposition. We have the right to self-determination. Please, are you all listening? We have the right to self-determination. We as Oduduwa people, we can come together and decide that we are living. And that is exactly what we are doing. We are going to leave that contraction. They cannot hold us in a place. We are not in the slave camp. We are in our own land. We are not in a Fulani land. We are in Yoruba land. And for as long as we are in Yoruba land, we have the right to decide our own future. And we are going. And nobody can hold us. We are tired of the injustice. We are tired of the oppression. Like I said, we have no water. We have no road, we have no light, we have no schools, we have no hospitals, we have no bridges, we have no airport. What is it that you want us to celebrate? What is it that you want us to celebrate? What is it that you want us to celebrate? We are fed up. Exactly. We are celebrating the breakup of that contraption. So please, we want Oduduwa Nation and we are going forward. And this is just the first step. We are asking you all, please, don't be silent. Don't be silent. Do not be silent. I'm just gonna have a drink. Can you wanna? Huh? Please go ahead. Sir, go ahead. Take it.